Hi Space NK, it's Miranda Kerr here, and this is my two-step at-home facial. These two products are my go-to products for instant results. If you try any two products from KORA, I would recommend these two. A perfect pair for a little quick facial at home. The turmeric mask deeply exfoliates and revitalizes your skin, leaving it super smooth and polished and fresh, while the face oil nourishes, brightens and gives your skin that radiant post-facial glow. Today I'm going to use the minis from our Instant Facial Glow on the Go holiday kit that just came out, and these are just so cute. It makes the perfect stocking stuffer or even just a tester kit for yourself. First of all, I'm going to do the turmeric brightening and exfoliating mask. It's an award-winning product. I do this treatment about 2 to 3 times a week at home. It's also great to do right before you need to get ready for something, if your skin needs some life and some vitality. I will wipe it off here, and you can see sometimes your skin gets a little pink, but that's great. It means that the blood's all coming to the surface. Now that I'm all exfoliated, I'm going to nourish my skin with the No Glow face oil. Our face oil is our #1 hero product, and it's won many beauty awards, including the recent Elle International Award in January for Best Green Care Face Product. Another benefit of the No Glow face oil is that it helps with sun damage and scarring and discoloration. This product is incredible for all skin types. So there you have it. That is my two-step at-home facial using our turmeric brightening and exfoliating mask and the little No Glow face oil from our Instant Facial Glow on the Go kit. It makes the perfect stocking stuffer or even just a tester kit for yourself. You guys are gonna love it. And don't forget, these KORA Organics products are clean, certified organic, cruelty-free, vegan, and available at Space NK.